Alright, here we go. As you see, I have my little spy helicopter. It does come equipped, or it can be equipped with a little spy cam. I can fly that around the neighborhood. And on the bottom of the wings of our little Piper Cub here, which that one flies at about 45 miles an hour, it also, you can mount cameras under the wings, and that's really cool. So I can go flying around the neighborhood and find out who's being bad, and then when I do, what happens next is I bring in the big boy. This dude does about 75 miles an hour in the air. He is also able to carry small bombs under the wing. That way I can eliminate bad neighbors. Well, I'm going to put these guys into flight maybe this weekend. Like I said, this dude right here, that's a D-28 Trojan World War II fighter. Comes equipped with a pilot. Did you notice that? That's pretty cool. The next thing I'm going to do, I think, after I master these two bad boys, is I'm going for the jet-powered RC model. They'll do about 125, 30 miles an hour in the air, and they're really cool.